Okay, so we had breakfast and now we got ready and we're going for another day on the boat. Yeah. Anyways, yep.
We have
We'll
to
update you on the boat.
go jigging today.
Getting off
The ferry.
the ferry, yep. Yeah, anyways, we're coming back.
Move.
We're gonna get ready to go to the beach and then go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Eat.
Let's throw that away.
Going to the beach. Guys, we're at the beach. It's a late time. We brought football.
Brought our food.
Yeah, honestly,
Most
that's
important thing.
yeah.
What is that?
There's like a bunch going on. There's like people at the skate park. There's some bouncy castles.
That one looks like Paula.
Oh, thanks.
Don't
Guys,
worry.
Guys, it's a jellyfish.
It's formed like the.
We think it's dead,
Paper
but
mask.
we've touched it a lot and it hasn't done anything.
kill it on purpose. I think it's
We found it. It was just kind of floating by. Look at. Should I pop it? Should I try pop it?
No!
Oh, I think I just did.
Paula. Nice going.
Accidentally.
You're smushing it too hard.
Yeah, it's so
This one kind of
nice.
sketches me out a little bit more.
This
than
one,
that
yeah.
one. That one sketches me out way more. That dog is so cute.
Two-step. You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. Oops. We didn't vlog again yesterday, but this is what happened. We went to this Greek restaurant, and it was delicious. And then we went for a nice car wash, which was quite scary. It was like beating the truck, and it was like, no. And then we went home. And then we went to sleep. And now we had breakfast, which was donuts, because healthy life. Also, I forgot to mention, today is the eclipse. Solar eclipse. What's that? And then, and the sun is extremely bright. So watch your eyes.
Watch your eyes.
No, like it's so bright. Like, are you gonna let my phone? That is so bright.
It's really bright.
Okay, this should be
I'm
illegal.
gonna get some nice.
Retinal damage.
Yeah. 4 minutes.
Alright, so guys, we were at this beach yesterday, right? Remember that? Look. The thing. No, like the water is over there, like way over there. And yesterday when we came, it was like, where was it? Where was it?
Like up to this.
I don't know.
Up like the
but
whole area.
towards the end of the day, it's gonna be all up to here, up to those rocks. Yesterday when we went swimming, like just before we left, we were like, we walked into the water and it was rocks, not sand. So
Yeah, basically where there's a whole.
yeah.
giant
Oh yeah,
chunky
that dried up
seaweed there.
seaweed. Yep. So
Yep, that's where it comes up
It's a
to,
little bit
and it's
chilly.
just 7 miles away at the moment.
you wanna go to that side? Over there. Yep. Anyways. Oh yeah, about that solar thingy.
We
Not
saw it
as
a little bit.
cool as we thought it would be. We thought the whole thing would go dark.
We're a little dumb.
Yep. Anyways, yeah. Guys, still at the beach. Look at this. Okay, I got the Greek poutine.
Just Canada thing. Pork.
Pulled pork, and that's bacon. Oh my gosh, there's looks like. And we got the large
Just Canada things.
obviously.
Just Canada things. I'm glad I got it.
Yep. Okay, so now we're gonna eat. So
Just Canada things.
just Canada things. No, shut up. Anyways, what are your thoughts on it? Do you like it?
Love it. We're gonna all share, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to swallow one. Okay. Coming back from the beach. Let's go get away.
Did you want a black sweater or a gray sweater?
I just had a warm Kool-Aid and now I feel sick.
I have a bunch of
Genius! You can't see it's pitch black, but we're at supper. We're eating German. Gosh, we came back from dinner and we ate too much. We started out with each having a cucumber salad, right? So what we get, no, what we get is like a plate. It looked really nice. It had like cucumbers, all like, like a flower looking thing, with some dip, some sauce drizzled. This is
Let
crazy.
me tell you. So, they called this nice thing a cucumber salad, but in reality, it was some cucumber slices with some dip elegantly drizzled over top.
Anyways, and then we ended up getting some
of my cucumbers didn't even have dip on them.
Okay, and then we ended up, they were really good though. Anyways, then we got chicken fingers with like potatoes and vegetables and stuff. And then we ended up eating Kayla's parents' like platter thing with schnitzel and all that stuff. Now I can't even move. And now we have to shower.
them our sea urchins? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
We
guys,
smuggled in.
we kinda took some what are they called? Sand dollars. And this is not illegal or anything.
Just
like
illegal
that.
things.
Do you see that? They don't. Oh yeah, those down there. We did not bleach them. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's what you're supposed to do to get them dead.
Right. We got them when they were dead from the water. We did not take them when they were black and moving and living.
Nope.
Nope.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yep. Anyways, now we have to shower. And we don't want to. But there's sand in our hair.
I want to.
Yeah, I want to too.
So bad.
Okay, yeah, anyway. My hands stink like bleach. Not because we bleached those sand dollars.
What the heck are sand dollars and what's bleach?
Anyways, good night.
Nighty
Tomorrow
night.
we're leaving early in the morning. And we're going to Vancouver.
Mm-hmm.
Peace.